Most people are not struggling because they are lazy. They are struggling because they are not using the right systems. And that is exactly what I help you fix. Hi, my name is Inzubechukwu. I help professionals, freelancers, remote workers improve how they work using AI tools, communication strategies, and productivity systems. This is not a traditional English language. I help you upgrade how you think, how you communicate, and how you perform in your work or businesses. What you will actually learn in our sessions, we focus on real-world improvements like how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to save hours every week, how to communicate clearly in professional environments, how to write better emails and speak more confidently with clients, how to organize your works so you get more done in less time. Because the truth is, many professionals are not failing because they lack skills. They are failing because they are overwhelmed, disorganized, and not using modern tools effectively. That is what we fix together. After working with me, you will not just know more English. You will work faster, communicate better, and operate more efficiently, like a top-performing professional. So, if you're someone who wants to improve your productivity, communication, and how you use AI in your daily work, I would be happy to work with you. Book a lesson. Let's start building your system together.